Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about the use of for loop inside Java within jdoodle compiler. As we know that jdoodle is an online compiler, so we need to write jdoodle on the Google search box. Then click on jdoodle and you can see a lot of languages here. So we need to click on Java programming. Now this program, which is already feeded inside the main compiler, first we have to delete it out because it is just a sample program. One more thing, that you can see a public class and void main function. So these two things are the, we can say, precursor, or these two things are very necessary for your program to run. Okay, so at least there must be one public class with any name, okay, with any name like my class 1 or my class 2 or anything, and then there must be a void main function. After this is done, okay, now we have to write our code inside these brackets. So we will declare a variable, that is int r is equal to 1. Okay, int r is equal to or we can say, yeah, int r is equal to 1. Now we have declared a variable with the name r and whose data type is integer. Why its data type is integer? It simply means that we just store integer type data inside this variable. So now 1 is inside this r variable. Now this is our variable declaration. Now we will write while function or while loop statement. Okay, now this is while loop statement and these two brackets constitute the body of the while loop. Okay, now what we need to do is to while. Now inside the brackets of the while, these round brackets, okay, we need to write the condition, that is r is less than 5. So what is meant by this thing? While r is less than 5 means that whatsoever inside the r is, that is at this time it is 1. So condition control will check the condition that 1 is less than 5 or not, and if it is true, if this condition is true, then control will move inside the body of the while loop. So here we will write system.out.println and r, system.out.println and r. Okay, so this print function, okay, will just write or print the value of r on the output black screen, which is just lying in the bottom of the page. Okay, so now after this is done, we need to update the value of r variable with increment operator, that is r plus plus. Every time control will come inside the body and the value will get printed, then it will come to this statement and its value, that is the value within r, is updated. So first it is 1, then in the second time it will become 2. Again control will go from r plus plus to this condition check, okay, statement, that is 2 is less than 5. Again condition is true because 2 is less than 5, so control will print the value of r, that is 2, and then it will increment it, that is increment to 3, and again it will go to the check condition, that is 3 is less than 5, and when it becomes 5, that is 5 is less than 5, the condition will become false and it will come outside the main while loop. So in this way you can write your program. So let me execute it out. So here you can see that we got our values, that is 1 2 3 4. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.